through the photon belt, through this energetic streams. I'm seeing also like cosmic dust, right? Because all plants come from planets, right? So there's stardust around us at all times. It's constantly landing onto the Earth's grid. And so what I'm seeing is new stardust particles coming from the sun that's landing onto the Earth, which is Taurus, right? And we can see that the moon is in Taurus right now when it's going to be transiting. Uranus is still in Taurus. This is the symbol for Uranus. Mercury is still in Taurus, and they're conjunct, right? They're right next to each other. It's called a conjunction. And so, Mercury rules the mind, how we think. Uranus rules our electrical system. It rules electromagnetic frequencies. It rules the higher mind. And again, those are both in Taurus, and the moon, our emotional nature, is also in Taurus, which I think that's why I wanted to sleep in extra today. I was feeling very loungy, which that happens. You guys can maybe put in the comments too. I find that on Pisces moon, Taurus moon, I think the feminine moon signs. I just want to lounge. I get that makes sense, right? Receiving, where you just want to slow down and receive. And on the days where the moon's in action, like Aries, it was yesterday, I was feeling very fiery and very action oriented. So maybe you guys can put in the comments to pay attention to the moon cycles and what signs they're in, and what I would say, not so much a gender, but a frequency, whether it's in a feminine frequency, which is yin going in, or yang letting it hang, which would be masculine, electromagnetic. The magnetic part would be the feminine, and the electric part would be the masculine. But anyway, I digress. Coming back. Coming back to the Saturn and Aries. So, and what's interesting when I'm looking, I wanted to see exactly when it came and ingressed into Aries. And look at the time here, guys. I love looking at numerology because the numbers speak to me. I don't know if you guys can relate, seeing repetitive numbers or saying things in sequence. And so when I put this on the screen, look at the sequence of numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then going back to the 0, right? So it's like we're in order. We're in this time clock. We're in this sequential energy because the cosmos is divine intelligent. There are no accidents. Everything is perfect. It's just the mind that misinterprets what's going on in this reality. And that's just something for you to ponder, even because I know a lot of us are having a hard time right now on this planet, and it may be hard to conceptualize that. But if we're really stepping into radical oneness, which livzenastrology does, then we have to look that everything is for us, even the hard times, even the negative times, right? We're being challenged, but I just watched a really beautiful podcast yesterday with Dr. Zach Bush. He doesn't go by doctor, he just goes by Zach Bush now. And he was on the Know Thyself podcast. And I swear that man's words always make me cry. I don't know. He just holds a tone and a frequency and a remembrance deep in his soul that is just so poignant.